Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark, and this is Showbiz Remark Up Close, a very special episode because this is Miss Consolacion 2025 candidates meet Showbiz Remark. Now I'm joined by Rian. Hello.
Hi, sir. Hello, sir, and hello to everyone from Constellation.
How are you?
Um, I kind of feel sick right now.
I
It's been
understand you just came from school. You have
yes,
classes.
sir.
So, how are you balancing the Miss Consolacion pre-pageant activities and your school activities?
Apparently, I am still adjusting since I am a first year college, and also a candidate of Miss Constellation. Maybe having a time management as a student, I also have to adjust everything since this pageant is a big one, I suppose. And also my school's activities, I also need to be responsible to every things that I do also there. So I need to adjust everything
You're
time to
taking
time.
up.
I am currently taking up a financial management in CTO Constellation here
Why?
in
Why that?
honestly speaking. This course wasn't actually my
Choice.
choice. Yes, my parents chose this for me and also my sister. Since my sister is a financial graduate student, also in Consolation
Okay, so if
here.
you had your way, what would you take up?
If I would be the one to choose, I think it would be tourism student, since I've been always want to be a flight attendant ever since I was a child. Yes.
Why?
Maybe I want to travel everywhere. I want to be able to speak to every languages to other people here in our world.
You're like Charisse. Okay, so your top three countries which
I
you would want to
think
visit when you're already a flight attendant.
maybe it would be Australia, since I have a cousins there living, and maybe New York and Korea.
Why Korea? You're
We all
into
know why.
K-pop,
Not really, sir,
K-drama.
but yeah, K
What's the
drama.
latest K-drama that you've
I've
watched?
watched. What was it again? The Lovely Runner.
What's that
Yeah,
all
it
about?
was a story of a a romance where the girl keep on going back to time to save the person, the guy that he really loves.
Do you
Yeah.
see yourself in her as a
Mm,
lover, as a
not really.
are you in a relationship?
No, I've never been into a relationship.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
So what would be your ideal boyfriend?
My ideal boyfriend, maybe having that emotional intelligence, since as a woman, we also have a lot of what do we call this? Personalities. I want a man to understand me in all aspects.
I know that. I
Yes.
can relate to that.
Of course,
Because I
sir.
have attitude problem also. We need someone who would
Yes.
understand us.
Because we are women.
But is it a decision? Was it intentional not to be in a relationship or to have a boyfriend?
I don't really need one right now since I am still young, and I also have a lot of things that I want to do in life.
This
And
will not be your first pageant.
this is the biggest one. Yeah.
What are your pageant titles so far?
My previous titles was Miss Dep 2023, second runner up, and a Miss Hugan
Miss DepEd
2024.
entire Consolacion or province already?
Entire Consolacion.
Okay. So why do you want to be Miss Consolacion from Hugan to DepEd to Miss Consolacion finally?
I want to be a person who they look up to, a person who can tell that, oh, she conquered all her fears when she was a child, and now she is standing in in a in a stage where people can see her.
What is
Not
your greatest fear?
My greatest fear would be talking in front of people.
Oh, you're talking to me now.
Yes.
So
To like a
how do you
crowd,
feel?
like
No, you're okay.
speaking
You're
into a
doing well.
crowd. Oh, thank you,
Okay, but
sir.
okay. Tell us why.
I don't know. Like I feel myself like doing something like that.
Tremble.
Like yeah, I tremble a lot, and my words don't connect well when I get tensed. And yeah,
No, you're doing fine.
oh, thank
Just
you, sir.
fine. Okay, what is your advocacy?
My advocacy is fighting against bullying and body shaming.
Because
Since when I was a child, I was once a bullied of bullying and body shaming. Because I was too thin back then, and being too thin wasn't really a, we call this. They only see your physics. S- I mean, I'm not really that thin, but I was just really sad because it was my friends who called out those words to me,
what
and
did they say?
like I don't remember everything, but it was a bad impact into me since they were a special people, and it made me really sad about everything.
What is your personal motto?
My personal motto, wait, I forgot about it. um, Never let anyone stop you from doing things that you want to do and you want to conquer.
What is it that you really want to do
What I want to
in the
do,
next 5 years?
oh, maybe 5 years. I want to finish school. I want to help my parents, and maybe also having a maybe a to change to flight attendant.
You really want to
Yeah,
become
yeah,
flight
I
attendant. How
really
tall are
want
you?
to. 5'3" to 5'4".
Well, how young are you? 18?
18.
Oh, you will still grow up.
Yes.
Because I think 5'4", no? Is the
Yes, five
minimum
four.
height
Yes,
requirement.
sir, 5'4".
Barefoot. Para
Barefoot.
makaabot ka inig-ana sa luggage.
I need to take
Yes.
vitamins.
And you should sleep more. Sleep early. Okay. Some questions from your co-candidates. What challenge have you overcome that made you stronger today?
Maybe um, conquering I mean, not really. I've conquered it, but I am slowly doing it. That speaking in front of crowd, and it made me really think that maybe what do you call this? Just let yourself be yourself in front of people. Never think of bad thoughts, because when you think about the thoughts, bad things, it will make you more tense to talk.
Your thoughts would be your reality eventually.
Yes,
That's why you have beautiful, positive thoughts.
yes, sir.
You should do that. But
Yeah.
how were you during the Q&A segments in your previous pageants?
Well, um, I wasn't also expecting that I'd be one of the top five, since that was also my first times. And all I can say is that It was fine.
So you will do well.
Yes.
Just think
Focus.
positively. Okay. If you could use one word to inspire and uplift other women, what would it be and why? If you could use one word to inspire and uplift other women, what would it be and why?
Love. We all need love. Not just to your boyfriend, girlfriend. It would love by or the love that you have in yourself. Because what is love? How can you love someone else if you cannot love yourself? And yeah, I think that would be it.
Wow. You should love it. You should love yourself
Yourself first
first
before
in
you love
order to
others.
spread love
Yes.
because you cannot give
Love.
what you do not have.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay. What is one Filipino value or cultural trait that best resonates with you and why? What is one Filipino value or cultural trait that best resonates with you and why?
It would maybe for me would be respectful because what what is your knowledge without having without being respectful? Even if you are talking into a child, you also need to respect a child, not just because they are older, you need to respect them. But you also need to respect everyone in all aspects.
Yes, respect begets respect. Now, questions from me.
Okay, this is scary.
No. Hashtag on consolation.
Hashtag on and on Consolacion. Consolacion is not just a municipality, but it is a place where unity is the first word that Consolacion have. The people, the government are really what do we call this? You can just talk to them right away. They make things right on on the spot.
What do you like most being a consolacionano?
Being a concessionaire is that they are very active to festies here, the local festies in every barangay, and of course the mother of the festival here is Disarok. It is my favorite.
You dance that?
Yes,
A
I
rock
was once
festival. Which
yeah,
one?
I was once a candidate of it
Festival
last
Queen.
2024. Yes,
So you can dance.
a bit.
Aside from that, what is your other talent?
I also, I mean, I stopped doing volleyball, but I was a player of it before,
You sing?
but not really.
Another question. What is the relevance of the Miss Consolation crown? And how can it be a tool in improving the living condition of the people?
The Miss Concession crown is a sign of responsibility. It is having the courage, and the sense of um, holding a torch of consolation, being a person who can look up to. And yeah, I think it would be it.
Who do you look up to? Beauty
Uh,
queen,
a beauty queen? Um, for now, it would be CJ.
Piazza.
Yeah,
Because
she is really confident. Yeah, I'm not really fond of pageants actually. I don't really watch pageants, but I watched her last time. It was really nice to have that kind of confidence in you.
you're
Yeah.
you're not into pageants, but you are part of a
No, like
pageant.
I'm not, like
Okay,
I don't watch.
reconcile.
Yeah, I don't really watch pageants,
But you
but
love pageants.
yeah, maybe.
You
I'm not sure
just don't
yet.
watch because you don't have the time to watch, or you get
Yeah, I
bored
think.
easily because pageants finish
I mean,
dugay.
not really, but I just don't see myself yet to that kind of um, things. That's why I don't really watch
What are
pageants.
your interests?
My interests in what way?
What do
Like,
you what would you like to do?
I would like to
Your
do,
hobbies.
I think it would be modeling. Yeah, I really want to be a model someday.
You should take more
Yeah,
vitamins
yes.
because
I
you should be
don't,
at least 5'7" to be a model.
I'm not taking any
Rump
vitamins right now.
modeling, commercial
um,
modeling.
yeah, commercial.
Okay. Last. Aside from joining protest actions, what else would you do to show support in the fight against corruption in government? Aside from joining protest actions, what else would you do to show support in the fight against corruption in government?
As a person who have been a social media girly, I think I would choose to spread awareness on about corruption. So also the youngsters should also have the knowledge about that corruption. So the next generation can have the right or the what do we call this? They already have the knowledge who to vote and why to vote that specific person to run our nation, our
Who should we vote? What do you consider the qualities of a good leader?
I think a good leader. It would be having a thoughtful, thoughtful personality, um, who you can talk easily and doesn't. What do we call this? Mm, doesn't make excuses to show up for their people.
Very good. Okay. You just showed up. You're scared of talking to people, but you showed up.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, and you did well. Invite them to watch you and your other and the other candidates.
Well, good evening, everyone. I am inviting you to watch us this coming October 11 to our Talents Night and our Coronation Night, which is October 25. I am inviting you all. Come watch
Why
us with
are
us.
you the next Miss Consolation?
um, why? I think it would be because I want to be a person who gives inspiration to young people and to also to tell them that conquer everything without having second thoughts because it would lead you into a good way for you to also conquer all the fears that you have.
Yes, go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Yes, thank you.
On and on, consolation.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm Ryan Mark. That was Showbiz Remark Up Close.
Bye bye,
Bye.
everyone.